while, whilst. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words and how to use them correctly. While. While can be used as a noun, conjunction, adverb, or a verb. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. As a noun, while refers to a period of time. For example, we played tennis for a while. So this just means we played tennis for a period of time. A conjunction is a word that joins clauses or sentences. As a conjunction, it means at the same time as, or during that time. This is similar to the adverb meaning, during which. Remember, an adverb modifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb. For example, they were chatting while the kids were playing. So both things are happening at the same time. They were chatting during the same time that the kids were playing. A verb refers to an action. As a verb, while means to past time. This is usually in a relaxed and a pleasant manner. For example, they used to while away the school holidays at the park. Whilst. Whilst is only used as a conjunction or an adverb. It means at the same time as or during that time. Again, this is similar to the adverb meaning during which. Essentially, this is the same as using while as a conjunction or an adverb. Therefore, both words can be used interchangeably. For example, they were chatting whilst the kids were playing. Another example is, whilst Ali was talking on the phone, I baked a cake. So, in summary, while and whilst can be used interchangeably when being used as a conjunction or an adverb. It means at the same time as, during which, and it can also mean although. However, we must remember that whilst cannot be used as a noun or a verb in the same way as while. Let's look at why. We played tennis for a whilst. They used to whilst away the school holidays at the park. As we can see from both sentences, they are grammatically incorrect, therefore they don't make sense.